So how do these onions look? You think I should add the oil yet? What do
I
you
would
think?
I would make it a little bit longer. It has to
Okay.
be a little bit golden, Yazi.
Oh, Mom, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Yes.
Oh, there she is. Hi. So are you ready? How are you feeling?
Talking to who?
How are you?
I'm ready. It's just you and I be doing this?
That's me and you.
Okay, let's do it.
So, Mom, do you remember the first time we made this for Thanksgiving? The first time you did this?
Actually, this is my favorite dish. It's kind of Persian dish. I love it because I love raisin and I love dates and I absolutely love caramelized onion. These are my favorite. And the lentil. Of course, the lentils are fabulous. And it's a great, great healthy food if you think of it. And then one day, you guys are just said, you need something different from stuffing. And I decided to just make this and put it in a turkey.
I think one of the great things about this recipe is that it does feel really personal to my family. Thanksgiving can mean so many things and be done in so many ways, but it's really nice when you have your own tradition. So I think first I'm just gonna make the rice, right?
How many cups of rice are you going to put in?
1 cup. And then how much salt do you normally put in?
I usually put a little bit and then taste the water to make sure I'm not putting too much salt.
So I'm just gonna bring it to a boil, right?
Yeah, cover it, make sure to cover it. Keep an eye on it because when the water actually evaporates, then you need to stir the lentils and the rice together.
Thank you. Just a cooking expert.
I know. Look at that, I'm fooling myself, right? Just like a very professional cook I am.
Do you have your dates cut it as well?
I do. How is
I
that?
love. Now you just add them to the rice and cover it if you want tahdig.
Tahdig means it's like the crispy bottom that forms on the rice.
Yes,
So I think
please
you
go
put
ahead.
the towel on top to kind of absorb the steam that's coming up, right?
Exactly. That's absolutely the reason. Make sure the heat is not very low because if you really need a crispy rice, it needs to be medium low.
Okay. So I think we'll just let that sit. Oh, do you have a timer? Will you time it, Mom? What time?
Oh
is
yes,
it?
I can. Can I ask Siri?
No, don't get Siri involved in it. So, Mom, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
When you were saying that, we always ate dinner together as a family, like, why did you insist on that rule growing up?
I have to tell you something. Because it was like that in my household.
Oh,
When I grew up
really?
in our family, because there were 4 of us, and the only time we were really not after each other, as you know, it was the time we would still have it, sitting down the table. I had good memories, and I created for you guys.
You did. It was great. Did you put a timer on? I mean, I was joking, but I wasn't joking. Okay.
No, I think it must be ready really in 5 minutes. Really it must be ready.
I'm not sure.
You can trust me.
So my mom is like a really good cook, but she sometimes has an issue with timers. So she literally will, put something on and then walk away, and then it's like the whole house smells like it's burning.
I think it's ready, Yazzie.
It's as ready as it's going to be. So we're gonna do this. All right. I think it looks good. Can you see?
Oh, it's lovely, darling. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely.
All right, Mom. I'm just gonna do a little. I don't know. I feel so nervous.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
Don't be silly.
All right.
Go
All right.
Yeah.
Don't be silly. Okay. Let me just make sure I get the grip on it. 1,
Of
2.
course. 2. Yeah. Yoo-hoo!
I don't know, Mom.
Yes. It's coming. Come on.
No. Oh.
But that's okay. But at least the tahdig is good. You can take it off now.
No, it is there. It still is crunchy, and it really does smell.
And it's still looking gorgeous,
delicious.
like a cake you wanted to say because it's
It is. It really nice in this cake.
Great job, beautiful.
Making this dish together and learning how to cook it with her has been a great bonding for us. For me, food and cooking and eating is always going to be a form of love, an expression of love.
I just really hope if you have decided to make this, every raisin, every date that brings that sweetness into your mouth, brings it to your heart and brings it to your life. For all of you around the table, everywhere you are.
I don't know if I can top that. I mean, I think that was just so beautiful. I kind of cried a little bit.
goodbye. I love you. I'll see you.
Are you
soon.
getting ready to get rid of me already? That was enough. Goodbye.
No, no.
Yes, you are. I love you, Mom. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank
It's so
you.
nice.
Love you so much.
Wow, so good. Wow. Really good.